Hey, how's it going? This is so exciting. Jim, I can't believe you're giving me the honor of doing this for you, brother. I'm gonna unbox your PS4 for you. Like, what the hell? I mean, like, we were planning things and getting things ready, and it was like 2 days left to go in order for us to come down here to come and see you guys. And Sally's like, oh, Jimmy wants a PS4. And I'm like, all right, gotta go. And I grabbed the keys and basically, like, ran to the EB Games, which is a gaming store where we buy all our stuff. And wanted to get this thing for you. But when I got there, you know, even before that, we were basically like, okay, do we get a used one? Can we find one pre-owned? I'll get a good deal on it, whatever it is. Wanted to find out one was affordable. And it ended up being that we were looking at the PlayStation 4 Slim. So what ended up happening was we went to EB Games, and they had one left of the Days of Play limited edition. So this is it. This is the unboxing. Just wanted to say huge congratulations and thank you so much. As a gamer myself, this probably doesn't mean anything to anyone else, but to us we understand that this is a big deal. I myself am an Xbox guy. I used to be PlayStation PS3 back when the thing was like $600. I had the PSP Fat, like 80 gigs, so it was a long time ago, back in the very beginning days of this next generation gaming stuff. But it went red light of death on me. So I was so sad. I ended up getting an Xbox. And I fell in love with Xbox, but I've always have a pleasure, I guess let's say an enjoyment in PlayStation and Sony. So here it is. This is the unboxing, and just wanted to say thank you so much for allowing me to do this for you. This is it, guys. This is the Days of Play Blue edition of the PlayStation 4, 1 terabyte. And just to make it, you know, a nice entry into this, just wanted to let you know. Of course, we also had the Call of Duty Advanced Warfare Day Zero edition. So this is definitely going to be something that is going to keep you very busy. You're going to have a lot of fun with this for sure, as well as online games. Obviously, you know, the PlayStation 4 allows you to do that. But here it is. So we're going to do the unboxing of this, and definitely going to take a look at the box first. This is what we're going to be looking forward to. It looks like a single controller, the actual PS4 Slim, distinguishable, of course, to the limited edition Days of Play PlayStation 4. So I guess this is a special edition that they came up with before they, you know, while they were releasing this. And I'm so super excited. This is going to be a lot of fun. This thing has come all the way from Canada, and we are now here in the Philippines about to unbox it for the first time. I was a little afraid that it was going to get a bit beat up inside of the shipping of getting here, being in my suitcase the entire time. But it looks like it's okay. The integrity is still here. Everything is good. Serial number good to go. Nothing too bent or broken out of shape. And let's have some fun. So what I'm going to do is just going to open this up here. We're going to take a look at this piece by piece. The unboxing of things is kind of important. It's like this super nerd thing that we like to do. But you know, already as you take a look, it's got some pretty cool open up. So it looks like it's already connected or sort of plugged into its own box. Oh, what a beautiful feeling. What a beautiful feeling. Oh, a box inside of a box. Sony, why you gotta do this to us, man? Well, we're just trying to open this up a little bit. And here comes another one. So let's see here how this works. Okay, so it looks like there would have been a place for a game in there. And also it does look like it's encased inside another box so that the integrity can stay there loaded as well. So here it is, the Sony PS4. And inside of here you don't see any of the tagging for the box. So we're just gonna open this up and have some fun. This is going to be great. Oh, here we go. Here we go. So first thing we see is a USB cord, of course, for your charging of your PlayStation controller. And then we have the power cable. Obviously, you're going to need one of those. So we'll just set those out here, make sure that that's there, and have it nicely laid out because we're unboxing this. So when we're unboxing something, we want to make sure that everything looks kind of cool. Because obviously that's the whole point of unboxing things. Otherwise you just rip things open as if you're a little kid on Christmas, right, Dala? So, let's open this up. What else do we got in here? Ooh, limited edition blue controller. This is like a kid on Christmas. I can't believe he's letting me do this, guys. This is like the most awesomest part of the whole thing. And look at this, you got this whole controller here. There's a touchpad for the touchpad feature. As you can see, it's blue. It's got the square, triangle, circle, X on it like everybody likes to see. It's got a little speaker on here. Looks like you can put in a headset. Also headphones, your dual analog. All the buttons seem to be intact. Oh, it feels so good. I can't believe you're letting me touch this first, bro. This is nuts. So this is what you're going to do to charge it and put it together. I'm gonna put that one there. And what else do we got? So I'm gonna keep all of the packaging together properly so that we can make sure everything is good to go. Oh, what the heck? Look at this. It even comes with its own headset. That's so cool. So look at that. You got your own, you have your own headset. I'm gonna let you open that one up a little bit. I'm not gonna take it out of here, but it's got a clip, and it definitely is just headbuds, and it's a one-sided. So just in case, you know, your wife's yelling at you, maybe like get off the phone or get off the game, you can at least still hear her. So you'll probably want to get one of those dual ones where you just want both sides, because obviously, and anyway, but then we're gonna leave that one there and just put that as part of the controller. And this is where it gets to start to get pretty cool. Look at that. So this is gonna be here the HDMI cable. So we're gonna plug this guy in, and we're definitely going to let that be plugged in and connected so it can do its update. Usually when you get something brand new, like an electronic device, anything that connects to the internet, there are going to be updates all the time, so make sure you always take care of those. You always want to do that, you know, anytime you're getting something. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. So this is how it's going to open up. I'm going to open this up here in the box. Oh, it's just butter. This is just butter. Oh, got a nice weight to it. It is the PS4 Slim. So this is not the PS4 Pro. Oh yes. Oh, look at that baby. Here we go. Okay, are you ready for this? This is it, the moment we've all been waiting for. This is the Ps4 Days of Play Slim, 1 terabyte. Of course, you got your instruction manual, quick start guide. Nobody needs a quick start guide. Just make sure it's just going to tell you things like, don't play for too long. Make sure you have permission from your mom. And don't play bad games about killing and violence. But unfortunately, Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, you can probably suggest that there's going to be some killing involved. Sorry, Mom. Now, here we go. We're going to open this thing up with absolute delicate care. When I open things up like this, I want to make sure that I don't get my grubby little fingers all over it. So I'm going to only hold it from the bottom. And as we see the bottom here, oh, look at the detail they've played into this. This is the underside of the system, okay? So if you look at the underside of the system, it's even got like rubber stoppers in the shape of the buttons. Like, that's so super cool. And as you see it on the front, oh, nice high gloss finish. What a beautiful piece. Oh, Jimmy, I don't know if I'm going to be able to give this to you. I think we're going to have to take this home for the kids. But wow, look at that, guys. Take a look at this. Nothing left to chance. Even you see there HDMI, DTS HD, Dolby True HD, Blu-ray disc. So it is a Blu-ray player. And on the front of this, you see there's the place you can put your disc in. There's 2 USB ports. You've got an eject button, a power button. Let's see, make sure. Oh no, there's a tiny little scratch on the front of that. That wasn't me, I promise. It looked like it was kissed from the factory. But wow, look at this, guys. So beautiful. Even on the side here, you can see square, triangle, circle, X. How cool. There's a little fan on that side. If you take a look to the back, I'm pretty sure we're going to find some more USB connectors. Let's see here. Doesn't look like it. There's an aux, there's a HDMI out, and a LAN. And then that's about it. So this is so cool. Look at that high gloss finish. And it's got PlayStation symbol right on the front, just embossed there in gold. Oh wow, that's so super cool. This is the Days of Play 1 terabyte Sony PlayStation 4 Slim. PS4 says Sony on the front. I wish you so much happiness with this thing, my friend. You are gonna have so much fun using this. This is it, guys. This is the equipment. This is the hardware. I'm gonna make sure. I guess we're gonna be plugging it in and turning it on so that we can get this thing updated. But this is the unboxing, guys. This is so awesome. I would love your comments below. What game do you like playing on the PlayStation? Are you an Xbox guy like myself? I have the Xbox One X because as soon as it came out, it was a bad excuse to go get a 4K TV. But yeah, I can't wait for Jimmy, for you to play with this and to have so much fun with it. I can't wait. This is going to be so super awesome. Other than that, guys, if you don't have one, definitely go and get one. These things are so much fun. They're great with kids, you know, and definitely a lot of fun to play with. But we are going to have some fun with this now. We're going to plug it in and make sure everything works and turns on and, you know, has a great time. And other than that, this is your unboxing. So cool. Let's take a look one more time before we let everybody go. This is the Days of Play PlayStation 4 Slim with a 1 terabyte matching blue controller. We've got all of the cables ready to go, ready to rock, ready to have fun. And it's been an honor and a blessing to be able to unbox this for you today. Jimmy, my good man, I wish you the best of hours and hours of gaming and not too many hours of gaming, because obviously you get in trouble from that. But yeah, this is it, and this is how it works. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.